So this is how to sign up to Venngage to create your infographic. We're going to go up to here, we're going to click on that. It's going to take us to the website. So you're going to go to sign up for free. You will click that. First name, and then last name, and then your email address and password ABC123SB. I'm using my initials, and sign up. So when you get to this page, what organization are you part of? We are part of a school, so we click on that. What is your role? You are a student. You will click on that. So then it's going to ask, what would you like to create? So we're actually going to create an infographic. So we're just going to click on that and then continue. So here's a whole bunch of different templates. You can always change them once you're working on one, but I'm just going to choose that one. Everything, no, I'll give that a miss. I'm just going to scroll down and have a look. And a timeline, yep, I might use that. And then I might choose the third one. Oh yeah, I'll choose that. So then I'll go to continue. So what it's going to do is going to put some templates that it thinks that I might want to use. Okay, so this is where we'll get a bit of a tutorial, but click create to use this template. So I will kind of do that. Just before I do that, up here is the help button on the right. So if we click on that, we've got a help center, onboarding guide, so we can click on that, but I'll also show it, give you a link in the PDF, which will take you to some tutorial videos, but I'll do a quick tutorial video here. So I'm going to use this one here, this template. So an infographic is just like an online poster. I'm not a designer, but okay, so I'm going to do this walkthrough. Click to add widgets, add charts, maps, text, icons, or images to your infographics. Okay, all along here. Next, you can always skip this if you don't want to. Click to edit. So click on any icons, images to edit. Double click to edit charts and maps. And customize. So you got your toolbar up here. And what you want to do once you've finished, you can go download or share. Share, I believe, will give you the link, and downloads as I think it's an image to your computer, which then you can send to Seesaw. So let's go to next. And need more help? Up there. Done. All right. Oh, and in that last one, there was the video tutorial, which I skipped. Okay. So very simple. We're just going to click on that. And I'm going to change it to Westward Expansion. If I want to change the font and all that kind of stuff, up here, there's the font, size, color. So if you want to change an image, you just click on it and then replace, and this screen will pop up. So here you've got icons, so I can choose any of those. I can go to photos and then I can just type in whatever it may be, or I can upload it. So looking at this, I think you can only upload 6 images, but I'll just press that and see what pops up. There's my reading stuff, but downloads, I've been doing a bit of work, so let's choose this guy here. And then I just click that, and there it is. So you'll notice the train's cut off, so I can just open up that box there. Okay, and if I want to make it a bigger picture, I just drag. Okay, and then I can click in there and I can delete it. I can add a text box and put in whatever I need to do. So that's just some basic stuff. So you always want to be looking up here, but also kind of the help button is always going to help you. And remember, once it's finished, share it or download it on the free account. Make sure you do get the free account. I don't think it'll take you to the option where you have to pay anyway. But we just want to get in there and have a bit of a look around and see if we can create an infographic based on Westward Expansion. And thanks for that.